Return the first item in a list matching a condition. I have a function, match condition A, which takes an integer and either returns true or false. I have a list of 10 integers. I want to return the first item in the list, in the same order as the original list, that has match condition returning true, as Pythonically as possible.
Should work, but it will raise stop iteration if none of the elements in the list match. You can suppress that by supplying a second argument to next, which will return none if nothing matches. Demo. Finally, just for completeness, if you want all the items that match in the list, that is what the built-in filter function is for. In Python 2.x, this returns a list, but in Python 3.x, it returns an iterable object.
Use the break statement. Now X contains the item you wanted. Proof.